Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar has been in a wicked range ever since it hit this triple bottom right here. This is the daily time frame. We got about 7 days of sideways price action. Definitely still has not been able to break to the upside yet. We have CPI inflation data coming out today, so maybe today is the day that it ends up breaking up. We could just end up making a little pullback to the last 5 ways down and just continue the downtrend pretty easily, though. So definitely keep in mind that the trend is for sure still down. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, to me, this looks kind of like an impulsive move to the downside, and this move from that point on is very overlapping, very corrective looking. We definitely spiked up to about the 105% also. We might actually get a little bit of a push down by the looks of it to me today, maybe at the news or something. I mean, it could end up being like an ABC. Maybe this over here is an A or 1, and now we're in an ABC of B or an ABC of 2 before we end up potentially going up for either a wave 3 or a wave C. But like I said, we have to keep in mind that the trend is definitely down on all these higher time frames still. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.